Welcome to Prixma Hub Business Learning Series. Today we will discuss 10 valuable business skills for workplace success. These are the skills that help professionals succeed in jobs and business. Introduction. In today's lecture, we will talk about important skills that every professional and business person should have. These skills help you make better decisions, solve problems confidently, grow in your career, improve business performance. If you want long-term success, these skills are very important. Overview of 10 skills. The 10 important business skills are an understanding of economics data analysis, financial accounting communication and negotiation emotional intelligence, networking leadership business management project planning and organization. Financial management. Today, we will focus on the first skill, understanding of economics. Skill number 1. Understanding of economics. Understanding economics means knowing how money, prices, demand, and supply work in the market. Basic knowledge of economics is useful in every industry, whether you are running a business or working in a company. It helps you make smarter and more logical business decisions. Why economics is important. Economics helps you understand how to set the right product price, what customers actually want, market demand, how to balance cost and profit, when and where to invest money, how to reduce business risks. Without economic understanding, businesses may take wrong decisions and face losses. Real business example. Let's take a simple example. Suppose a company wants to invest in solar energy. Before investing, the company must evaluate, is this investment profitable? Are customers willing to pay for it? Will it generate profit in the future? Here, economics helps the company analyze costs, benefits, and demand before making a final decision. Key concept: willingness to sell. One important concept in economics is willingness to sell. This means the minimum price at which a seller is ready to sell a product. If the seller is willing to sell at a lower price and the buyer is willing to pay a higher price, the buyer gets extra benefit. This extra benefit is called consumer surplus. Understanding this concept helps business owners justify and explain their decisions clearly. Conclusion. In simple words, economics is not just theory. It is a practical tool used in real business decisions. If you understand economics, you can make smarter decisions, reduce risk, increase profit, become a confident professional. That is why economics is an essential business skill. If you found this lecture helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Prixma Hub, and press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos. Also, share this video so more people can learn valuable business knowledge. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.